Assalamu alaikum. Our today's lecture is about arsenic. It's an irritant, metallic irritant. Arsenic oxide, a white color powdered crystalline, used as a homicidal slow poisoning. The uses of the arsenic are it's a rat poison, a termite poison, especially the white arsenic. It can also be used as a coloring agent as a Paris or emerald green. Can also be used as a depilatories arsenic sulfides. This is also used as a weed killer, insecticide, as a fungicide. Arsenic was also used in the treatment of trypanosomiasis and amoebiasis and in different industries and laboratories. There are two mechanisms of actions, one is acute and one is chronic. Acute is that when after ingestion it increases the permeability of the small blood vessels and inflammation, leading to necrosis of the GIT, which leads to fluid loss and hypotension. And its chronic uses are arsenic combined with the sulfahydryl group of mitochondrial enzymes, leading to interference with their action and decreased metabolism in action.